let me see you out there. You beautiful people. Congratulations on your jubilation. Our hearts are breaking underneath all the applause. This devastation is how I'm making, but we've never tasted this much bitterness before. And everybody falls, and some of us are born to fight and fight and fight some more. So we will see you here, same time, same place next year. And you may win this battle, but you'll never win the war. Better to have fun and lost than never fought at all. Go take a bow, your audience is waiting. We'll take the shadows since the limelight isn't ours. We wanted it so bad, gave it all we had. Oh, but wanting it doesn't always make it yours. This time was ours to lose, but fortune favors those who ride the storm and make it through. So we will see you here. Hands up! Same time, same place next year. And you may win this battle, but you'll never win the war. Better to have fun and lost than never fought at all. Milky on guitar, let's go! Hey! Better drop them in your voices one more time, lift the air! So we're on the same ground when the tables are turned around. Oh, when your tears fall as your world is crashing down. I hope when you see me, you'll remember that feeling. Oh, 'cause we've both seen the world from both sides.